Welcome to the fascinating world of natural language processing, or NLP for short. Picture this, a computer understanding human language as you and I do. An intriguing concept, isn't it? NLP is the technology that makes this possible. Through machine learning algorithms, NLP gives machines the ability to read, decipher, and understand human language. It's the magic behind your smartphone's voice assistant, the spell checker on your laptop, and even the recommended articles on your newsfeed. But it's not just about understanding language. NLP also allows machines to generate human-like text, think automated chatbots, or the clever responses from your voice assistant. The applications of NLP are extensive, ranging from sentiment analysis in social media posts to language translation services. In the world of sports, NLP can be used to create summaries of games, analyze player performances, and even predict future outcomes. It's truly a game changer, in every sense of the word. So, the next time your voice assistant understands your command, or your newsfeed shows you an article you're interested in, remember, it's all thanks to natural language processing.